Remove the front headlight on a 2001 to 2007 Chrysler Town Country. You're going to remove the 3 screws that are right here. You can either use a socket or a flathead screwdriver. So here she is removing those. And it works nice to set those somewhere, so we're just going to set them up here. Next, you'll pull the light assembly out. You'll tip that down, and then you're going to unscrew the back of the light. Pull the light bulb out. You'll have to wiggle it. It should be sealed in there tight. So next what you're going to do is you need to remove these little clips here. You can either pull them back by hand and then pull out, or you can use a screwdriver. And you got to be a little bit stronger here, so I'm switching with her. And we're going to pull that out. Next you're going to take your light bulb, and you don't want to touch it, so it's good to wear gloves or just be extra careful not to touch the glass. And we're going to put that light bulb in, and there's a little slot on here, so we'll just put that in and spin it until it drops into place. Click that light bulb in, so now we've sealed the back, and then we're going to put this guard in. Once we have that all installed, we'll just slide it back together. We're just going to set our screws here. And we're not going to over tighten these. I don't want to break anything, so just get them extra snug and you're good. And then next thing you're going to do is check the lights. Are they both on? Mm-hmm. Once you know they're both working, you got them all switched up. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.